How to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is find the chat where you want to delete a message. So here I have sent a recent message. So if I try to delete it, as you can see, it's only available to delete for me and it's not available to delete for everyone. So if I just send a random message right here, right now, here you will have an option to delete for everyone, but this does not have the option to delete for everyone. So in that case, what you're going to do is simply go ahead and long press on the message. And from here, you can try to delete, but it's, as you can see, it's not deleting. It was sent on Thursday, so I'm just going to try to switch my date to that day. Open up your phone settings. Now go to General Management or Date or Time. You can directly search for it. Turn off automatic date and time. And I'm just gonna change my date and time to that exact day. So as you can see here, I have set my date and time to that exact day. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and WhatsApp. And from here, tap on the same chat again. And once you have done that, you could try to delete the message from here. So just long press on it and tap on delete. And in some cases, you will be able to delete that, but in my case, I'm not able to do that right now. So that's how you delete the WhatsApp chat after a long time. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.